everybody. Three, four beaches. Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I'm Shreya Khanna. I'm back with the new vlog. So यहाँ से कैप्शन और लोकेशन से पता लग ही रहा होगा कि कितना ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस है केरला का, which is nearby to Trivandrum. And this is honestly, this is a poor lake which pronounced like this, and such a beautiful place. और इस vlog में कुछ ऐसे adventurous होने वाले हैं जो मैंने in life I never ever imagine. And honestly I'm seeking from so long कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना था जो मुझे आज opportunity मिल रहा है कि वो मैं करने वाली हूँ next day. But this day हमने ये लेक, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लेक कवर किया. एंड यहाँ पे पंजाबियों के भी वो टैग्स देख रहे हो, असी कबर पंजाबी हर जगह है मिलते हैं. सो इस तरीके से ये डे बहुत अच्छा स्पेंड हो रहा है. ऑनेस्टली जस्ट लिविंग विद द ब्यूटी एंड विद द ओल्ड सॉन्ग, फिर तो वाइब भी अलग हो जाती है, दैट यू नो वेरी वेल. और ऑनेस्टली ये जो गाने और ये पानी, फिर एक एक प्लेस जितने ये अप्रॉक्स 2-3 आवर्स का ये लेक जर्नी था. एंड ऑनेस्टली ईच मिनट वॉज सो ब्लिसफुल, सो अमेजिंग, सो क्लोज टू द नेचर. आई वॉज फीलिंग सो गुड. एंड यू कैन सी इसे थोड़ा सा मैंने चॉपएट किया है, रीज़न कि जिससे वो बोरिंग ना लगे. चाहती तो बहुत कुछ थी दिखाना इस व्लॉग में, बट मैं क्या करूँ, वो हर जगह मैंने सीनिक व्यू ही कैप्चर कर रखे थे. मेरी आंखों से वो सीनिक व्यू जा भी नहीं रहे हैं और मैंने उसके अलावा कुछ कैप्चर भी नहीं किया है ऑनेस्टली. तो मुझे लगा कि इसको छोटे से ब्लॉग को हम यहीं पे, आज ये जो दिन था मेरा उसको मैंने इसी में एंड किया है. अब सेम डे वी आर ट्रैवलिंग टू कोची, जहाँ पे मैं एक सोलो डे प्लान करने वाली हूँ. ये था मेरा सरप्राइज़ जो मैंने अभी तक नहीं किया. सो आई एम स्टेइंग इन अ नोवा स्काई. दिस इज अमेजिंग होटल. So here I go with my solo day start with 2 plates of fruits. When your buffet is closed and you are late, but your solo trip starts like this, having 4 plates of your meal for the morning alone. Actually, I'm compensating 2 people's, breakfast. I'm not having somebody next to me now. Let's have it. So hello everybody. After a very 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 long time I am doing blogging. So today in my entire life this is my solo trip which I am going to begin today, and I'm in Kerala, Kochi. So let's go for a solo trip. So let me show you what I'm gonna do today. So right now I'm going in an auto. I already booked the auto, and I'm going towards to buy to rent a scooty. So I'm going for it. Let's hope that I'm gonna get the scooty, because I'm keep doing it. Like there is a website where it was like showing me up that you need to book a scooty, but I was not able to do it. But let's see how it's gonna be. Let's start the day with a local ride towards the rented scooty place. And finally I got it. After renting the scooty, I reached to Fort Kochi. यहाँ पे Chinese fishing net था. यहाँ पे ये tourist place है which is quite famous. And afterwards I had something कुछ चटरम मटरम खाने के लिए. So I had a corn and a juice. And जब भी आप इधर आएंगे तो आपको फ़ोटो खींचने के लिए बहुत सारे places है. both and even many of the influencers, even I have seen the vlog, they captured and even covered all these areas. So you will also like it. यहाँ पे कुछ streets है जैसे Princess Street, Road Street, Burger Street, which will help you to go and click good pictures. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको वो बाहर जैसे फॉरेन में ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रीट देते हैं लोग, उस टाइप का देगा. कैफ़ेज़ काफ़ी अच्छे हैं यहाँ पे. एंड यू कैन सी लाइव इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज़ ऑल्सो प्लेइंग बाय हिम. And that was nice. And one thing I've noticed in this city, everybody respects everyone. That's a quite nice place. And यहाँ पे Jewish ब्लॉग करके भी था लेकिन मैं उसको कवर नहीं कर पाई. एंड दिस इज़ माई लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन. सो आई एम ऑन पुथुवापी बीच एंड देयर आर 3-4 beaches, but I ended up with this. I was in searching of actually Valupu, and there is a lighthouse also, but where the Google Map took me. So it was very haunted street. So because no one was there, so I was like, I should not go further because today I am travel alone. So somehow I reached here, and this is very good beach actually. Very nice, less crowd, and crowd is also decent and good, clean. At the same time, Valupu, I just checked on the Google that it says it has some more greenery like plants and all, but with the luck and this, I came here, TK, and I'm satisfied with the whatever the destination which I've covered. Again, it's my solo trip, and I'm in a peaceful, happy mindset. See, I was planning from a very long time that I wanted to travel alone. Somehow things organized in such a way that I was traveling alone in a strange city, and is that city which I've never visited. First time I came Kerala, and I'm in Kochi, so try my best to explore. So yeah, Shreya, you can do it. Everybody can do it actually. Thank you, viewers. So now I came back to my hotel and will grab something. I grabbed in the mid of the way, but I didn't like the food, so I'll order from here. And tomorrow I have a traveling. So this is a morning. Good morning, and enjoy with me. As a solo trip, try to be myself. वैसे मुझे डांस करना बहुत पसंद है. वैसे शायद किसी को पता हो या ना हो, I'm a प्रोफेशनल कथक डांसर, तो थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं. बट ये कथक का तो कहीं से भी एसेंस है नहीं. I know that. Finally, I am got ready for the airport, and whatever I wanted to do, I did it. And it was a very lovely experience of the solo trip. और बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था. अब ये तो फील होता है यार, everybody should try at least once in their life, and they have the good company around them, good partner, so definitely they should go for it. But solo must try. Even I'm gonna miss it now. So didn't go for the room tour, but here was it. So this is the view, and I had two, like, this is my chotu bag. This is, sorry, pura phela pada hai. This is the second room. So I had this 2 BHK, you can say, kind of apartment. Basically they constructed an apartment form, but maybe it didn't sell or what exactly the story, I didn't know. But they afterward they transformed this building to hotel, and everything is like the amenities and the facility which you gonna get it is like hotel only, and the view, services, amenities like pool upstairs. There's a pool also, gym, and everything which 4-star 5-star property provides is like that. And this is a 4-star property. So yes, this is a Noah Sky Hotel Suites. So basically we can't say the 2 BHK, we can say suite, maybe. Yeah, I'm not aware of much of this thing, but I'm just exploring. Just pedo. I'm rushing because my flight is around 3, so this is already 1:25, so I need to rush to the airport. So bye bye. Fully ready. So let me show you my outfit. So this is my outfit. Backside will work. So much, yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and see you in the next. Bye bye.